So friends, if you are facing the number problem in your Google account, how to fix it? I will guarantee you that if you watch the video till the end, you will 100% fix your account. And if you want the video in Hindi, the link is available in the description. Just click on that and watch the video in the Hindi. So the first step is that you need to send an email to this account, which I am showing you at the left side, and put the title, "My account isn't signing in." And now down you need to write an email, a small email. So I'll also put the email in my description. You can directly copy from that. And if you don't know how to copy it, just take a screenshot from the description and put it in the Google Lens, and then you can copy it easily. Or just share the link in the Chrome browser, and from there you can directly copy from the description. So you need to enter this type of things. Instead of my email, you need to put your email on which you need to add a number. So after sending the email, don't stop by adding the number. Like for 3 to 4 days, try to do the same step, like adding the number again and again. They will give you these type of things, like they will be aware that this account is having a problem, and they will send you an appeal submission for your account, that you need to add here a reason that what has happened to your account. So my YouTube account is created. Actually I have wrote it oppositely, but it did work. You can write that my channel is on this YouTube account, and I am also making this account as my business account, so they will be aware more. Then just click on the next, and then they'll tell you that add an email through which we can access to you, or we can contact you. So here enter your contact email or any second email that you have in your device, or if you don't have, you can easily create it. It's so easy. You can easily create your email account. Just create a second account and add that account here, so that they can contact you through that email. So here I'll enter my email, then click on the submit appeal. And after this step, they will take 2 to 3 days, but instead of waiting, you need to again try again and again by numbers. So in the end, I'll also give you the proof that it did work to me. So I am also guaranteeing you that it will also work for you guys. So here, now after entering my contact email, it is saying that download your data, just leave it alone. Now try the same steps on another browser. So now I have the Firefox, the browser. Here without signing in, I'll go and click on the left side above, and here select the Google. I'll click on the Google, and then here you need to search for Google sign up. So I'll also search it manually here, and here I will not click it, just manually write the email in which there is a problem of adding your number. So here I will add that email, then put the password of your account, and after adding your account, then here you can see it is asking for saving your password. It's your choice, do it or not. Now I'll put the number again. You can see I'll get the same problem again. So how did I fix it? Here now I'll put again the number. Now see, you must have about 3 to 4 numbers, and if that 3 to 4 numbers didn't work, you can also try your friend's number. So I'll tell you in this video. Here I click again on the next, and I'll again enter the password. Now everything is in front of you guys. You saw that how much times I did appeal for this account creation, but it didn't work. Now again I tried, and it's about 3 to 4 days I am trying. But you should not stop. Just do it again and again till 3 to 4 days. Now here I have also entered another account. Sorry, not account, a number, and it didn't work. Now I tried a different country number, a country in which I already lived about years ago. So here I selected the country, and I'll put a number of that country, and I was in hope that maybe it will work. So I'll add that number and then click on the next, and it still didn't work. So now what is the last step which we should do? The last step is only that you should have WhatsApp, which is actually does everyone have it. So it's like last time I was trying it, like it was the 4th day I was trying the same thing, but it didn't work for me. And please, I am showing it to you guys because you should check that how much times that I tried. That's why they have fixed my account. If you just leave it alone, or you are maybe you are thinking that I'm wasting your time, I'm not wasting. I'm telling you guys to do it till 3 to 4 days continuously, so that they will think that someone is adding again and again account and it's showing an error, and they will then fix it. So here you can see now I'm trying different numbers. I'm taking the number from my WhatsApp, like there are friends in my WhatsApp. I'm taking the numbers from them, and here I'll also show you the proof. This guy, I just copied his number, and then I came here and entered his number instead of my number. Like he have never opened a Google account, or maybe he have opened it, but it worked for me. So here you can check out. I just entered the number. When I click on the next, it gave me a Google account code place. So after this, I just ran up to this guy and I messaged him. I texted him, kindly please send me the number which you are going to be received. And he was asking, but I told him, just wait, just send me the code, then I'll tell you everything. So here now I will enter the code, and in front of you guys, you can check. I have also didn't here hide the Gmail, so you guys can see in the end that the same Gmail which was having the problem, it has been fixed, and this was how you can fix it. Here you can see now I have logged into my Play Store, and I'll also go to my Google account management, and here you can see the same email with the same problem has been fixed. Here I'll go to the security, and you can see two-step verification is off. I'll open it. Once it is opened, you can change it easily. So try to put the number of your friends instead of your own number. So this was how you can fix it. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.